In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up e-commerce items in Google Analytics 4. If you're tracking online sales, registering your item attributes as custom dimensions lets you break down performance by brand, variant, or any product level detail you already send with your events. We're not changing your tracking today. We're simply telling GA4 how to display what's already being collected. Start by opening your browser and going to analyticsgoogle.com. Sign in and make sure you're looking at the correct account and GA4 property for your site or app. Using the wrong property is a common reason you don't see data later on. Next, go to Admin, the gear icon in the lower left corner. This is where all property level settings live. In the Admin menu, choose Data Display. In GA4, this is the home for the settings that control how your data appears in reports. Now select Custom Definitions. Custom definitions are how you turn raw parameters into dimensions you can use in standard reports and explorations. Click Create Custom Dimension. You may need editor access for this action. Enter a clear, human-friendly dimension name. This is the label you'll see in reports, so make it understandable to your team. Avoid personal or sensitive information. Add a description, a short note about what this dimension represents, and example values will save confusion later, especially if multiple people manage analytics. For scope, choose how GA4 should attach this data. Because we're configuring e-commerce item details, select the item scope. Item scope dimensions are tied to each product row inside events like view item, add to cart, and purchase, letting you report at the product level rather than just the event level. In the item parameter field, type the exact parameter key your implementation sends with each item. This must match the name in your code and is case sensitive. Common examples include item ID, item name, item brand, item variant, or custom keys you've added. If you're unsure, check your implementation notes or confirm in your tag manager or debugger to copy the exact spelling. When everything looks good, click Save. Your new dimension will appear in the list and will begin populating for new data going forward. It can take up to a day before you see it in standard reports, though you may notice it sooner in explorations. Repeat this process for each additional item attribute you want to analyze and keep an eye on your property's custom definition limits. That's it. You've registered your e-commerce item attributes in GA4, making your product reporting far more flexible and insightful.